Hello, dear children. Welcome to your English class. Today, in English grammar, you're going to learn conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Children, words like and, but, or are called conjunctions. Conjunctions are joining words. They are also known as connecting words. They join words or group of words or short sentences. Let me explain it to you. When you want to join two words which are similar in nature, which are same, okay? You can use and to join them. Which means you can connect two words by using these conjunctions. Also, you can join words or group of words or short sentences also can be joined with a and, but, or. First of all, and. We use and to combine similar ideas or add information. So when you want to combine two ideas or which are same, or when you want to add another information to a sentence, you can use and. Let us go in detail with some examples. Tom loves to play cricket. Tom loves to play football. Now here two ideas have been given. Tom loves to play cricket. Tom loves to play football. These two sentences can be combined now into one sentence. How? You can write Tom loves to play cricket and football. By adding and, you have joined both the sentences and you have removed Tom loves to, because Tom loves to is being repeated in both the sentences. So, you need not repeat it again. You have to just say it once. Tom loves to play cricket and football. Dog is a faithful animal. Dog is a clever animal. Both these sentences can be joined and written as one. Dog is a faithful and clever animal. This Friday is a holiday. I would like to go for shopping. Now these two sentences are giving us some information. So how do you combine these two sentences? This Friday is a holiday and I would like to go for shopping. When do you use but as conjunction? We use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. Now we can use but when you want to show some differences between two things or two words or the opposite nature or idea of those two sentences or words. Let's look into these examples. Ram ran fast. He finished third in the race. Now these two sentences are opposite. Ram ran fast, but he finished third in the race. So you joined these two sentences by using but. Ram ran fast, but he finished third in the race. Aryan wants to play. He is sick. Again, these two sentences are opposite ideas. Aryan wants to play. Can he play? No. Why? Because he is sick. So how do you combine these two sentences? Aryan wants to play, but he is sick. Giraffe is tall, dog is short. These two sentences are clearly opposite in nature and opposite ideas. So how do you combine these two sentences? Giraffe is tall, but dog is short. Next, how do you use or as a conjunction? We use or to show a choice between two or more options. So when you want to show some choices between two or more things, we can use or. For example, do you want ice cream? Do you want pizza? Now these two sentences are asking about an option or a choice. So how do you combine these two sentences? How do you join these two sentences? By using or. So you will write, do you want ice cream or pizza? Chota Bheem can go to the park. He can go to the cinema theatre. Here Chota Bheem has a choice. He can either go to the park or he can go to the cinema theatre. So how can we combine these two sentences? Chota Bheem can go to the park or cinema theatre. So dear children, to concise, conjunctions are joining words. Hope you will not forget these three words, okay? And can be used to join similar ideas, but can be used to join opposite ideas, and or can be used to make a choice. I hope this module was helpful to you, my dear children. Here's a small assignment for you. From your textbook itself, page number 102 and 103, you have a small assignment. Please do it in the textbook itself. Okay? Thank you.